Ba't natin pinagkakaguluhan si Jake? Ay! Jake?
I'm good. Yeah, I'm good. Obviously, nandito tayo today. We're promoting our new movie, Delivery Rider, with Baron Geister and Direk Lester. And I'm so grateful kasi pinaghirapan namin the movie na to. We've been working so hard for it.
What's up with the hair?
With the hair? It's a tribute to the movie. So, yeah, my hair in the movie is platinum. So, today I said parang, I wanted to remember, matagal na namin na-shoot to eh. So I kind of wanted to remember the character. So I wore the same watch I wore in the movie. And then I colored my hair gray.
Yeah,
today.
salt and pepper.
Yeah.
Suits you well.
Thank you. You like
Yeah,
it?
yeah. It's nice, it's nice.
Wala namang kahulugan yan, Jay.
Oo.
Kahulugan?
Kasi di ba pag may drastic, di ba may drastic change pagka may mga drastic na nangyayari sa buhay?
Nangyayari sa
Yeah. Diretso na agad
Well,
eh.
hindi. This is more for the movie. I'll be honest. Diba?
Kamusta puso
Para sa
mo,
pelikula. Ha?
Oo. How are you? How are you?
I'm good. Yeah, I'm doing good. I'm doing good.
I mean,
It's great.
we all know
What's going on?
We can all see that on social media.
Yeah.
So, how are you right now?
Yeah, I'm good. At least, parang it's a lot to take. Diba? It's a little bit, ang dami nangyayari, ang daming sinasabi ng mga tao. But, siguro I can officially say that that chapter of my life is over now. To be quite honest with you, parang, I can at least say that I really love that person deeply. Diba? And for me, I respect that person till today. I had a lot of time to process everything and accept everything. And for me, diba, pag mahal mo naman talaga ang isang tao, you wish them all the happiness in the world.
Yes.
And you want them to be happy. And you want them to be loved as well. And that's still how I feel.
Hindi naman bad breakup, Jay.
There wasn't a breakup. So,
Wow.
yeah, there was no breakup. So
But,
parang,
but thank you for all.
Parang wala na lang.
for me, hindi wala na lang. Like I said, I love that person deeply. Diba? Hindi wala lang eh. That was incredibly important to me. Diba? But that chapter is over now, and I have to accept that. Yun po.
And you always put your heart on your sleeve, Jake.
I do.
Yeah. So thank you for sharing that. How are you coping up?
Me, like I said, parang a lot of great things. Excuse me?
Oh, sorry
Yeah.
po.
No, I said a lot of great things are happening in my life right now. I have a movie coming out. I have another press con coming up for another series called What Lies Beneath. So, siguro the most challenging part about this whole process is, syempre napapanood lang ako ng tao sa Batang Quiapo, but they don't know I made the movie. They don't know na I was doing all these things all together. Diba? And siguro the challenge this past this past month, probably is like, I hadn't had time to be Jake at all. I had to be Miguelito Guerrero. I had to be Edong in What Lies Beneath. I had to be Roden in this movie. And parang kahit mahirap, even if it's difficult to go to work, kasi I'm very different from these characters. As you can see, yung pinoportray ko sa TV as these characters, ibang-iba sa personalidad ko. But I have to, even if I'm not in the mood to do it, excuse me, can you guys keep quiet? Yeah, I can't. Yeah. I said this past few months hasn't been easy kasi I've been working 6 days a week, diba? And there's no time to be Jake. It's almost like uwi ako pahinga, diretso na sa taping, diretso na sa Miguelito, diretso na sa Edong. Monday, Wednesday, Friday is Batang Quiapo, Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, it's What Lies Beneath. And I don't complain because this is my dream. Talaga, this is my life, diba? And kahit I'm not in the mood to do it, kahit mahirap, kahit, even if I'm heartbroken or down about it, I still have to do it. Because I'm an actor. Diba? Everything you see here, lahat na nakikita niyo dito, this is a 25-year-long career na pinaghirapan ko. Na even when I was down, I had to pick myself back up and do it again. Diba? Because of my love for this career. I will never compare myself to another person or another man because I don't judge men because of their riches. I judge men because of their character. Because yun ang meron ko. This career I worked so hard for. No one gave me anything here. And I had to go the long way. Mag-audition, pumasok ng pintuan, and then 25 years later, si Jake Cuenca na nakikita niyo. So that I'm very proud of, and I'll always be proud of that.
You're getting teary-eyed talking about all of this. Why?
And why did you have to tap on being self-made?
It's just because with everything that's being said, diba, it's kind of hard. You have to remind yourself of who you are. And you have to remind yourself of your value in moments like this. Diba? And as a man. Like, of course, hindi ko may kwento ang mga detalye na mangyari, but I'm incredibly proud of myself because I handled the situation like a man. Diba? I didn't make it difficult. I don't want to take anything away. I don't want to add more, gasoline to the fire that's already happening, going on. So I hope you guys can, for me, I know I'm a public figure. So talagang my life has always been an open book. Diba? I've been in this situation before where I had a lot less and I made it through. And now parang I feel like I'm incredibly blessed because of everything I have right now na ihahain ko sa mga tao in a week's time. Makita nyo lahat ng project ko. And in a month's time from now, you're gonna get to watch me in the first slot of Primetime and in the third. So I really want to prove it to you guys na pinayagan ako ng ABS to do this because I work incredibly hard for this.
Who's your support system, Jake, right now? Because sabi mo 6 times a week.
No,
Diba?
like I said, my mom is my support system. But this experience, tong isang buwan na to, I've gone through all of this alone. Like a man. Like, sabi ko, I really gave a lot of importance to that relationship. So even in the end, parang I grieved it properly as well. So this is a better version of myself, believe it or not. But like sabi ko nga, I had a lot of time to process everything and accept everything. So I'm in a lot better place right now. And to make me incredibly happy kung susuportan yung pelikula namin. Delivery Rider, October 23. And please watch out for Friday pag pinalabas na yung trailer ng What Lies
Grabe
Beneath.
ang papuri sa'yo, Direk.
Thank you.
Papuri sa'yo.
No, thank you. Kasi nga, like I said, parang I put everything into all my projects. Diba? Kung kailangan maging kontrabida, I really don't care what people are gonna say. I do my best talaga. And sana people can appreciate this. Kasi like I said, parang whatever I'm going through in my life, kung medyo mahirap man ang pinagdadaanan ko, kung meron man akong, diba, I will still be an actor. Kasi this is what I do this all for. Parang, like I said, parang, no matter what happens in my life, my career has always been here. So I have to thrive. I'm grateful for what I have.
Saan galing
I'm gonna make the most of
motivation
it.
sa galing mong umarte ng kontrabida, Jake?
As you can see, my life is full of drama, right? Marami tayong pinuhugutan.
Thank you, guys.
Thank you, guys.
You can do
Salamat.
it.
Thank you so much.
Guys, photo
Thank
lang
you.
with Direk and Aaron and Jake.
Pwede yung batang birthday lang. Karen.
Karen? Okay.